How to blur explicit images in Google search. You can open up any of the Google service. Then in the top right corner, you will see the profile icon. Tap on the profile icon. From here, you will see the option of Save Search. You can tap on it. From here, if you wish to blur out the explicit images, click on the option of Blur, which will help to blur explicit images. However, explicit text and link may show up. Now, once you tap on the blur option, all of the explicit images that might pop up in your Google search will be blurred out. Now, these settings can be worked in your Google Chrome as well. If the account is associated similar with the Google Chrome, this setting is for the particular account, which means even if you try to search for anything, it will blur out explicit image even in your Google Chrome. So this sums up the tutorial as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.